If you think iPhones have peaked, if you think Apple is just recycling the same phone every year with a faster chip and a slightly better camera, then I need you to listen closely, because the iPhone 18 Pro Max might be the device that proves everyone wrong. Not because it's going to look completely different at first glance, not because Apple will suddenly become a totally new company overnight, but because the iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be something Apple has been quietly working toward for years. The iPhone that finally begins the transition into the no compromises era. The iPhone that starts removing the last visible signs of old design limitations. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The iPhone that isn't just a phone anymore, but a platform shift. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand why the iPhone 18 Pro Max could be the most important iPhone Apple has released since the iPhone 10. And yes, that's a bold claim, but the leaks behind this phone are already wild enough to justify it. So if you're even remotely thinking about upgrading in 2026, or if you're the type of person who upgrades every 2 to 3 years, or even if you're just here because you love Apple rumors, this is the video you do not want to skip. Let's start with a simple question. Why does the iPhone 18 Pro Max matter more than the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Because the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to be the first iPhone where Apple genuinely moves toward the display is everything. No distractions. No compromises. No giant cutouts eating into the screen. For years, the iPhone has had one big enemy: physics. Face ID sensors, front cameras, and the technology required for security and biometric unlocking all needed space. That's how we got the notch. Then we got the dynamic island, which was basically Apple turning a limitation into a feature. And it worked. But deep down, everyone knows Apple doesn't want holes in the display forever. Apple wants the iPhone to look like a single piece of glass. And now, the most credible reports suggest that iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max could finally get under-display Face ID, meaning the Face ID sensors would be hidden beneath the screen. And if that happens, the dynamic island becomes unnecessary, or at least drastically smaller, possibly reduced to a simple hole-punch front camera. Now let me explain why that matters in real life, not just in leaked headlines. Under-display Face ID is not a cool gimmick. It's a major design unlock. It changes how you experience the entire phone. Suddenly, the screen feels larger without even increasing the size. Videos look more cinematic. Games feel more immersive. The UI feels cleaner. And Apple gets to market something that isn't just another spec bump. They get to market a new iPhone identity. Apple loves that. Apple needs that. Because in the US market right now, the biggest criticism of the iPhone is that it doesn't look exciting anymore. People want something that feels new, not something that feels like the same rectangle every year. Under-display Face ID gives Apple a huge wow moment without needing a complete redesign of the entire body. But here's the part most people don't realize. Under-display Face ID isn't easy. If Apple does it, it means they solve problems that many companies still struggle with, like transmission, reliability, and security. If Face ID is even slightly less accurate, it's not worth it. Apple would rather keep the dynamic island than release a worse Face ID experience. That's why this rumor is